Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Ninebot Max G2. First, unpack your new scooter and fully charge its battery, which typically takes about 6 hours. Next, download the Segway Ninebot app on your smartphone and pair it with your scooter using Bluetooth. You must activate the scooter through the app to unlock its full speed and features, ensuring a safe and complete setup for your initial ride. Before your first ride, always prioritize safety by wearing a helmet and other protective gear. Find an open, flat space to practice accelerating smoothly and using the regenerative braking system effectively. Stand with both feet firmly on the deck, maintaining a balanced posture for optimal control. The Max G2 offers 3 riding modes, allowing you to gradually increase your speed as you gain confidence and skill. The Ninebot Max G2 offers advanced features for an enhanced riding experience. Easily switch between eco, drive, and sport modes to match your desired speed and range, with a top speed of 22 miles per hour. Use the integrated front and rear turn signals to clearly indicate your intentions to others, significantly improving safety. Its advanced traction control system provides superior grip, especially on challenging or wet terrain. Proper maintenance ensures your Ninebot Max G2 remains in top condition for many rides. Regularly check the tire pressure, aiming for 32 to 37 psi for optimal performance and range, which can reach up to 43 miles. Keep your scooter clean by wiping it down after use and store it in a dry, cool environment. Periodically inspect the brakes and all fasteners to ensure everything is secure and functioning correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.